Hi, everybody. It's Carmelita from jeffandcarmelita.com. I'm super excited about what I have to share with you today. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a quick ebook that you can make as an offer to give away to your audience and just to share what you've learned and to help them out on something that they can learn. Now, check out my hoodie. I got on my alma mater hoodie, Liberty University. Super excited. So let's get started. Going to share my desktop. And we're going to go to canva.com is where we're going to create it. Now, Canva has many designs, whatever you want to create for. So we're going to go to book cover. And it's going to bring up a variety of book covers for you to use for free to design, and you can use these as a free giveaway to your customers to give them something free to help them to grow their business or help them with strategies on losing weight, on how to take pictures, or how 10 easy steps to getting your credit ready to buy a house, or 10 easy steps to debt elimination or something like that, or 10 easy steps how to grow your business online using social media, or 10 easy steps to create an ebook. So let's get started. So we're just going to choose one of these free covers here, and I told you it's going to be a quick video. So let's just grab one here. And this one's called Farewell Bride. So we're going to just go in here and quickly add this 3 steps to increase your credit score. And then we just simply highlight that. We're going to change the size of the font so it'll fit better in there. And there you go. And we just simply change the name down here. All right, 3 steps to increase your credit score and inspiration to finding getting your credit on the right foot. Just simple, something simple. All right, and then we have some pictures that we've uploaded here. So this has to do with credit. So let's go in here into Canva and search for some pictures that has to do with credit. So we go in here. We're going to do I'm sorry about that. Let's go back here and we're going to do a search for credit. So they got plenty of things that you can use here. So we'll just pick this one to put on here. I'm going to go here, delete that off. Let's go over here to positioning. All right, and let's bring that down there a little. It's kind of faded out. I probably should have stretched it a little first before I faded it out. So let's just get rid of that element right there. There we go. Just make it black and white, right? It's all about black and white paper, right? Black and white paper. If it's in ink, it's in black and white, right? Or red and blue, or blue and white. But let's get it in black and white, in ink and on paper, okay? So let's go ahead and reduce this. One more size lower. And then let's bring this down a little. And then let's center it. Bring it over just a little bit. There you go. 3 steps to increasing your credit score by Jeffrey and Carmelita Black, and inspiration to get your credit on the right foot. Or inspiration to get your credit on the right track. How about that? That's simply how you create the cover for the ebook. Now, you want to add a new page to the ebook. You simply click here. And you can change the color right here. And we'll change that page to white. We can go back over here to our text. And then we'll click on the box. And what size font we want to put in here. I want an easily readable attachment there. So let's just change this. 3 steps. To improving your credit score. All right, and then we're just going to take this and drag it up to the top. Now you can either type everything in the same box, or you can create another box here. Increase the font size. And then you can just go step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, pay your bills on time or ahead of time. And we'll make this a little bigger, and we're going to change the font a little smaller so they'll be all on one row. Oh yeah. All right, in step 2, I'm going to say create a snowball list. And the snowball list is a list to pay down your debt and what order you're going to pay those debt down in. And after that, and step 3 is as you pay off something on your snowball list, begin to add that payment to another item on your list so you can pay that off faster. So it would be use a payment to, let's see, add the payment, add a payment from the snowball list that you paid off to pay down your snowball list faster. So we just created 3 steps to paying down your debt. Let's get this off of center and do a right, a left alignment. There you go. Now, this is simply going to be a quick and easy ebook that you can download as a PDF. Now, if you have a website or something like that for them to go to, I'm going to show you over here how to add a link. So you simply go over here and add the link here. So I'm just going to put our website on here. Bingo. There's the website. So if anybody clicks on there after we download the PDF to them, they will get the website. And we'll put it there too. All right. Now we're going to download it. We're going to save it. It already added the name there, so we're going to save it, automatically save. But now we're going to download. In order for it to work, the links to work in the ebook or on the PDF, which is going to download as a PDF, you have to download it as a PDF, and either a PDF in the small size or the high quality. So let's go for the high quality this time and click download. And these are the simple, quick and easy steps to create a PDF or an ebook for you to create a free offer for your audience. Now we're going to go back to it and click on here. And we're bringing up the PDF. And it shows you right here the picture that we chose: an inspiration to get your credit on the right track, 3 steps to increasing your credit score, Jeffrey and Carmelita Black, 3 steps to improving your credit score, pay your bills on time or ahead of time, create a snowball list, add a payment from the snowball list that you paid off to pay down your snowball list faster. 3 simple, quick, and easy ways to get your credit back on track. You can do it. And you can create your first ebook to create an offer, to generate leads, to help you grow your business, and you can help someone to change their life. Now, go ahead, inspire to empower someone today, and I hope you enjoy this quick and easy way to create your first ebook or PDF for your business to help change your life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the link below or above this video to make sure you check out our #1 recommendations for helping you build your business online and to help you build your business using high ticket price line items. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.